going to go over some PDR work. What it is gluing tabs onto hail dent on your vehicle and pulling those little hail dents out. First of all, you want to clean it this spot real well. Denatured alcohol. We're going to work on this spot right here. A little bit of that down. Take you a soft cloth. Make sure you're getting all the wax and grease off, road grime, whatever's all in there. It's good and clean. Take your glue gun and with your glue, fill that little hole up just a little bit. Put that tab right in the center and let it cool for about 3 to 4 minutes. And while we're doing that, I think we're just going to go ahead and work on another one here. There's a little one right there, you can see. And I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. We can see this one right here though. Wow. Alright. I'm going to put a little bit glue on that one. And of course, the bigger the dent is, the more glue you want to put in it. Fill your tab. After you get done doing that, you get this little handy tool. It fastens right over the pull tab. You may need to adjust it just a little bit. Screw that down. Slide that onto there. Snug it up. And then we'll just work that. Just keep working that. Work it several times around. I'm going to give it a harder pull. Came right loose. Just take your denatured alcohol, put it on there. Get a hold of that. A little more. There you go. There it is. Pulls right off. These little strings out of here.